Okay, so I got it hooked up into my wall connector. You can see I plugged it in there. A little red light came on. One thing I didn't realize on this is that it has a detachable battery. I didn't realize that this battery was a battery pack and a charger all in one system there. So that's pretty cool. But anyway, I always like to be surprised when I open things up. That was a little surprise to me. We're going to check it out here, get it charged up, and see what it does with this tire. Hey guys, got this thing charged up. We're going to try it out, see how it does. Wanted to show you another little compartment's got some it's got a neat little compartment in the front I didn't see. Got some accessories, got some needles and stuff for basketballs and things like that. So you hold this power button in the back. It shows this thing here. It shows the PSI, and you're supposed to just push the trigger, I guess, and it starts pumping up. We'll see what happens. Alright, it pumped that tire right up on this bicycle, guys. The only thing is I don't sell bicycles, so well, I will sell bicycles if someone wants to buy bicycles. I'll sell whatever I can get my hands on. But anyway, this is about truck tires. We're gonna go up here and we're gonna put it on a truck tire. One thing I want to show you, I didn't notice on the box. I'll show you now. Alright, so you've seen there, it said it didn't say anything about truck tires. It said car tires. You know, it's going to take a lot of air to pump this thing up. And it didn't say SUV and it didn't say truck on the box, or I couldn't find it on there. So anyway, let's see if this thing will pump this truck tire up. It's got a neat little light on the end of it too. I like that because I'm out at night sometime with my row back. And I really like that light. It's like they was thinking of everything when they put this together. Much happening yet. I'm at 10 PSI there. It's not getting hot or anything like that. It's just running right along. So it is pumping the tire up, coming right up. I'm really surprised at this. Pump that bicycle tire up really quick, real quick. I'm at 15 PSI. And it's not very noisy for something doing a job like it's doing. That's not much noise. About is when I pick these things up, I don't want to roll them up on my roll back I'm liable to damage the outside of the tire, break it off the rim, and destroy a rim. If I can get it up off the ground a little bit by putting some air in it, then I can make some money off the tire and the rim. That's my goal. So we're at 30 pounds. All right, guys, there you have it. The Bullseye is a winner for me. Just how handy it is, how handy it's going to be for me to just jump out of the row back and grab this thing and air a tire up. Like I said, I don't know how long it's going to last doing what I do with it, but if I can save a couple of rims and a couple of tires, it'll be worth it for me. Whether it's worth it for you, I don't know, but 32 pounds in a truck tire, it's pretty impressive to me. That's Codemansauto, and please subscribe.